Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. So in this video, I'm going to share with you all how you can design certificate for free and you can give certificates to attendees or those who have attended your webinar or any presentation. So let's jump to that. Okay, so for creating certificate, you have to visit one website and the website name is canva.com. So click on this and this is free website and free you can create certificate for free. Okay, so after clicking that link, you will reach this page. Okay, as I have already logged in, you have to log in, and for that you need Gmail account and you can easily log in the system. Okay, so now we will show you the certificates creation process. So you will get this option here like recommended for you all your designs. So whatever design you create, it will be here. So we will go to templates and then we will go down and we will reach to education and then certificates. Okay. Okay. Reward those who have earned it. Choose from our collection of certificate designs and customize them for any achievement. Okay. So there are so many certificates free or paid. So in free version also you will get so many templates, so just don't go for paid version or pro version. You can design as per your requirement. So you can take this or you can take this also, which one you want to design. Okay, you can add your own logo. Let me take to that particular certificate. Okay, choose this one. I'm going to choose this certificate. Okay, use this template. Due to internet connection, it's taking time. Anyway, I will finish it within a short time. Just allow me to do. Okay, I will make it zoom 50%. Yes. So if you want to change color, okay, you can change it here. Which color you want? Suppose you want this color, this, whatever color you want, you can design here. Okay. Yes, it's this looking good. Okay, so if you want to put logo here, you can put here, upload it. You can upload from your computer or you can upload from your own images which you have already uploaded. Okay, if you want to upload from desktop, you click here and upload from there. Now I will upload from here only. Okay, I have one logo and I will upload that one. Okay, take anything without wasting time. I will just take anyone. Just wait. Oh, it's okay. Okay, take anything. Let us take this one. Okay, this is our logo. Now, where you want to put? Okay, suppose you want to put here. It's your institute or company. You can drag it down little bit. You can drag it down. This is your logo. Okay, so whom you want to you know this is to certify that. Okay, I want to issue to digital Neeraj. Okay, now you can upload a signature also. You can upload signature here. Okay, and to upload signature, you just same process. Upload from the desktop. Okay, from computer, upload it, and you just paste it here. That's it, and your certificate will be ready. So you can see within a second how you can create, you know, professional certificate, and you can issue or you can present to your attendee or webinar attender. Okay, so and now I will share with you how you can download this one. Option is easy. Go to download option. So here is one thing, I have selected the paid version. Okay, so if I want to download, they are asking me $1. That means I have to pay for this. Okay, so this one I have taken the professional one. You can take free version. So in this way you can download it easily. In case of okay, I will take JPG or PDF. So in this way you can download the certificate. Okay, let me show you that also. I don't want that you stay in confusion. So editing parts I have done. I will just show you how you can download it. Wait. Okay, I'm not going to download this. Okay, take this one. I'm not going to edit again. I will just show you how you can download this. Okay. Editing part is same. Just now I shown you. So I will go and download it. Download option. Yes, come fast. Okay. So I will check or do PDF or JPG. You select as per your wish and download it. Yes. So download part is over. You can see here. Now in this way you can create professional or very good certificates with design, and you can give to your attendees. So thank you so much for watching. Keep watching, keep loving me. Thank you so much. Bye bye.